during the story Braving the Odds, I discussed something about reader book. Important writing section questions from reader book. Okay, that's why I want.
मैम मंडे को
नहीं, आज. Today we will do this. So, okay, if someone is having any problem, 5 minutes I will give the poem.
मैम लास्ट 2 स्टैंजा एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
Last 2 stanzas.
मैम हिंदी का भी क्लास शेड्यूल है.
नहीं, हिंदी आज नहीं होगी. हिंदी की मैम से मेरी बात हो चुकी है. उन्होंने तो क्लास को कैंसिल कर दिया होगा.
नो मैम, शो हो रहा था मैम. कोई बात नहीं.
मैम कैंसिल हो गया है.
कैंसिल हुआ होगा. मेरी बात मॉर्निंग में हुई है. हाँ, so last you people are telling about last 2 stanzas. Okay. Weeks went by and summer came down. Soon his expertise on the computer he found. His grandpa was great, like a bosom. Taught me about the net and email. So first Raghu.
मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट.
My voice is going. From somewhere. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me mute everyone, and if you want, you can unmute yourself. Priyansh, a few students' mic is on. Okay. Now it must not be echoing. अब echo नहीं हो रहा है ना?
नो मैम.
Voice is fine.
Okay. So first, Raghu wanted to take permission from his father for mountain climbing, but his father disapproved. After few months, after some time, he wanted to take permission from his father to join a band. He wanted to be a singer, but his father disapproved of that also. So now, for a few days, he became very angry. This was the basic difference between Raghu and Pranay. Pranay was aggressive. Pranay was.
मैम किसी का माइक आवाज नहीं आ रही अच्छे से.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
मैम किसी के माइक ऑन था तब नहीं आ रहा था.
अच्छा, हाँ देखो, अभी मैंने सारे बच्चों को सारे बच्चों को someone might have. Vipasha. Okay. So this was the basic difference between Raghu and Pranay. Pranay used to react, retaliate, but Raghu used to listen to his father, but when he got refusal from his father when he wanted to ask permission for something. He wanted to seek permission for something from his father, and he was not given. He felt bad. He felt angry, but he didn't react. This was the basic problem, difference. So now, after some times, both of the things were over. Now, Raghu started working with computer. He started using computer, and he got expertise on that. And after getting expertise on that, he taught his grandfather about net, about email. So what his grandfather says, we will see in the last stanza. You are genius, my bridge to modernity. But grandpa, this is something for Papa to see. So now Raghu is telling, grandfather, you understand this, that I am so good. But my father didn't understand this. This my father should also understand that I am sober. Take it easy. Grandfather is telling, take it easy. As father and sons, we have gone through this stage. Means our grandfather is telling that I have also crossed this stage, and I am looking your father also. And I assure you, with with the help of my experience, I can assure you that you will repeat our words when your son will be your age. Means he is telling that you will be also repeating the same when your son will be of your age. Okay. So here one question is there, C6. Develop a story, either beginning or ending with the following prompts from the poem. Am I the prefect at school or the baby at home? And now we will start. First, we will start braving the odds. Who will start reading? Ayush
I'm
Ratan.
Sanket.
Ayush Ratan. First Ayush Ratan, second Sanket. Okay, start. Ayush Ratan. After that, Kumari Srishti. After that, Savraj. Okay.
I'm Aditi. Arav.
After that.
I'm Arav.
After that. Okay. Serial number till here I have given you serial number. No one will ask. यहाँ तक आपको serial number मिल गया ना? हाँ. After
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
Ananya. I have given Arav also, Meenam also. But जिस serial number में मैंने आपका नाम अनाउंस किया है, उसी serial number में आपकी reading होगी. And 4 lines only. After 4 lines, you will start. Ayush, start.
Braving the odds. 10 years only and so much difference. What a loss. You must be mad, was the general comment of the family, friends, and colleagues. Giving up a teaching post now when there isn't much chance of finding another one ever.
Start. So here, braving the odds, we are going to read something about someone who wants to about a teacher who wants to resign from her job. But everyone is telling not to resign. Family members, colleagues, friends, everyone is telling not to resign. Why she want to resign and why family members are telling not to resign? We will read later on. Next, Sanket's turn. No? Start. If Sanket is not there,
Yes.
Sanket is there.
And what? Yes, ma'am.
Sanket, you can't keep your video on. Actually, I want while reading you keep your video on. If you can, it's okay. If you can't, it's also okay. Okay, but start.
And what about all the lovely money you are earning and all those long holidays? But I had already come to my lonely decision. After months of consolidated suffering, I knew I could no longer continue in the teaching profession. To wake up in the morning with a fear of the day ahead and then set off to work with a pounding heart and frozen face. I had become habitual to, I had turned to tranquilizers to help me along.
Tranquilizers to help me along. Next. So here, but I had already come to my lonely decision. Teacher is telling that no, I have come to my lonely decision. Means everyone requested her, everyone suggested her not to leave the job, but she didn't listen. See, she had already decided that she will quit her job, and why after months of concealed suffering, she was suffering a lot. I knew I could no longer continue in teaching profession. See, the teacher was knowing that now teaching profession is not possible for her. Why it is not possible, we will come to know. To wake up in the morning with the fear of the day ahead means when uh, she got up in the morning, she had a fear for the whole day, and then set off to work with a pounding heart and frozen face. And so she felt very bad, she felt very afraid. Such a nice word to express. अगर कोई घबराया हुआ है उसके लिए कितना मतलब अच्छा, देखो ये phrase, set off to work with pounding heart and frozen face. You should underline the line. I had become habitual too. It had become her habit. She used to be fearful while going to school. I had turned to tranquilizers. Tranquilizers means sleeping pills. She had to take sleeping pills when she wanted to sleep. For sleeping, she needed sleeping pills. Next, whose turn was there? Continue. Whom I said? Was it Srishti?
Ankit Raj.
Aryan. हाँ तो Aryan start. Ankit और Aryan. I think Aryan I had said. Okay, start.
It had never been as bad as this. 10 years ago, I managed well enough, and the holidays for rest and recuperation used to come around just in time. Students were obedient, respectful, and most importantly, warm. Getting back to them after the holidays was once a pleasure, but I, in common with most other teachers, am enormously self-critical, and I knew now that I was no longer managing. My classes were noisy, the children were not learning very much. My attempts to cope with changing teachers' methods were patchy, and I had run out of enjoyment and enthusiasm. Obviously, the children's enthusiasm and interest lay elsewhere. Elsewhere, it was time to stop.
Okay.
But
Wait. So I had never been as bad as this. Now she's telling about herself. She's telling that she had never been so bad. 10 years ago, I managed well enough. Means 10 years back, she was able to manage everything. And the holiday for the rest, for holidays for rest and recuperation used to come. What is the meaning of recuperation? Means
Teacher.
if you work for a long time, you need some rest for your health. होता है ना जब tired हो जाते हैं तो so means she used to enjoy her holidays also. Used to come around just in time. Students were obedient, respectful, and most importantly, warm. Warm means suppose that I am teaching, I am telling something. If I will not get any response from anyone, would I like to explain? अगर means interaction होता है, if I get your response, I feel also enthusiastic. Means my students are understanding, or if they have any problem, they are sharing. ऐसे होता है ना? If I am speaking, I am asking something, no one will answer me. So it will, I will also start losing my interest. So the same was situation with her. My attempts my attempts to cope with changing teaching method were patchy. And I had run out of enjoyment and enthusiasm. Obviously, the children's enthusiasm and interest lay elsewhere. It was time to stop. So now, means she was trying her best. She was doing her best to give her best, but she was not able to. It was not that she was not working. It was not that she was any problem was there in her teaching method. It was not there. So what was there? It was there that in children's enthusiasm and interest lay elsewhere. Means children wanted something else. They were not much more interested in the class, and she was not able to tolerate that. Children were not listening, children were not studying, and she didn't like it. Now, okay, next, whose turn to start? Serial number, I have spoken. No one? Kumari Srishti, will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Shriyansh.
after that, Srishti, Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyansh, Shweta, Aditi. ये serial number आपको याद रखेंगे. Okay, start.
But was it all my own failure? In fairness to myself, I didn't think I was. I had plenty of ideas. I loved my subject, and by and large, I liked children. I had been idealistic, but the reality I faced was bored children, overstimulated by video watching the night before and tired up by a late bedtime. They were the children who were.
Okay, Srishti. Now it's time to, and this is my request that if you can keep your video on, better while reading, when you are doing reading work, keep your video on. Okay, so what she is telling that, but was it all my own failure? She had decided to resign from the job. She found herself not fit for the job, but now she is analyzing herself and she is telling that, was it all her failure only? That she was not able to manage things? And she feels no, it was not her own failure. She, in fairness to myself, she was doing justice to herself and she feels that no, I don't think it was mine. I had plenty of ideas. The teacher had plenty of ideas. I loved my subject, and by and large, I liked children. And by and large means any of she loved children also. I had been idealistic. Means her approach was idealistic. But the reality I faced was bored children, overstimulated by video watching the night before and tired out by a late bedtime. So what was the problem? Problem was that children used to watch video at night and see, and they get up late in the morning and they
tired of bedtime.
What happened? Any problem? Someone told me something. I could not understand.
आइडियलिस्टिक क्या होता है?
आदर्शवादी मीन्स अच्छे सोच वाले, जिसका सोच मतलब निगेटिविटी नहीं हो. She was thinking for the children. सो हाँ, तो लेकिन यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? प्रॉब्लम थी बच्चे लेट नाइट वीडियो देखते थे और सुबह में टायर्ड फील करते थे, मॉर्निंग में जब उठते थे तो टायर्ड फील करते थे, और इसलिए they were the children who were given the wrong food at wrong time. उन लोगों की अपब्रिंगिंग भी गलत हो रही थी, उन लोगों को मतलब रॉन्ग फूड रॉन्ग टाइम में दिए जा रहे थे. Who came breakfastless to the school. अब स्कूल में बिना ब्रेकफास्ट के आना. In the school they stuffed themselves with gum, chips, sweets bought from the school canteen. और घर का लंच नहीं लाते थे स्कूल के कैंटीन से. मीन्स च्युइंगम, क्रिस्प्स, मीन्स जितना भी चिप्स टाइप का चीज होता है, स्वीट्स स्कूल के कैंटीन से खरीदने वो खरीद करके खाते थे. सॉरी, रीडिंग टाइम इज देयर ना. सो whose time?
From Arab.
Start.
They were high with hunger in the before lunchtime and giggled restlessly as the smell of the food from the school canteen came wafting to all floors. They were the children who were constantly tasting and belittling each other. Bright, hard-working little girls changed under the pressure of peer groups and advertising into assertive, screeching, empty heads. Most of them carried makeup in their pencil cases and had a magazine concealed on their desks.
Okay. So, what is there? So their interest, they were only means they were very much high with hunger. The hungry ko, how nicely it has been written. It is not written that they were hungry. They were very much hungry. They were high with hunger in the lessons before lunchtime and giggled restlessly as the smell of food from the school canteen came wafting all the floor. स्कूल के कैंटीन में कुकिंग होती थी उसका, एंड they instead of focusing to the teaching, they used to focus on the smell. उनकी ध्यान तो वही होती थी कैंटीन में अच्छा अच्छा खाना बन रहा है तो अब लंच टाइम होगा एंड वी विल गो टू कैंटीन एंड वी विल परचेज थिंग्स टू ईट. They were the children who were constantly testing and belittling each other. मतलब एक दूसरे को what is the meaning of belittling? Can you what is the meaning of little?
छोटा.
हाँ, little means छोटा, liter means होता है गंदगी फैलाना. little means छोटा, belittling means दूसरे को छोटा समझना, जितना वो छोटा नहीं है उतना छोटा समझना, बनाना, that is belittling. Bright, hard-working little girls change under the pressure of peer group and advertising into assertive, screeching empty heads. What she is telling, earlier girls were very bright and hardworking, but now they have also changed. Why they had changed? With the means in the pressure of peer group. Peer group means
And advertising.
Peer group means the same age group, and advertising. All around the clock, so many things are being advertised. So they were also in the grip of them. Most of them carried makeups in their pencil cases. So in pencil cases, instead of bringing things for writing and items for doing maths work, they were having makeup kits. Had a magazine concealed on their desks, and they had magazine in their desks. And so instead of focusing on study, they were focusing somewhere else. Next. I have
मैम कह रहे हैं अनुशंसा
मैम ऋषभ राज
मैम
what?
अनुशंसा
Wait,
मैम
wait,
ऋषभ
wait,
राज
Ma'am Vipasha. Ma'am
wait,
मैम
Vipasha.
ऋषभ राज
wait,
Ma'am Surya,
Ma'am Vipasha.
Ma'am Krishna,
अनुशंसा
wait,
Krishna.
wait.
मैम ऋषभ
Have
राज
I given the serial number?
Ma'am
मैंने
Surya,
Yes, ma'am.
तो जिसका
मैम
सीरियल
ऋषभ
नंबर
राज
किसका है कि रीडिंग हो गई है वेट
मैम ऋषभ राज
अंकित राज की रीडिंग हो गई है वेट अंकित राज की रीडिंग हो गई है अंकित राज
नो मैम
नो सो
Ma'am, you
अंकित राज यू स्टार्ट अंकित राज यू स्टार्ट Ankit, be fast. Keep your video on.
Ma'am, you given the chance, me Suryansh.
I had given you chance. Okay, can you keep the video on?
Ma'am, me?
Yes, video on करके reading कर सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
There were the ones from difficult homes, such as Simon, whose parents split up after many years together, and who was not wanted by either. His tried eyes flickered all around when I tried to demonstrate it with him privately. His pale face never stopped winking, but he could bring chows to my lessons with his measuring and neutering. The rudeness I had to put up with and the bad language appalled me. I had no redress as the only form punishment available was the detention, which meant facing the same obstinate long again. Sometimes parents could be contracted and their help sought, but frequently they were as bewildered and incapacitated as we ourselves.
No, okay. So then there were the ones from difficult homes, such as Simon, whose parents split up after many years together, and who was not who was not wanted by either. Means he was now she is telling about that family problem. Means she is explaining about a boy named Simon, and he is telling that she is telling that his parents separated, and either Simon was neither wanted by anyone. So he also started behaving in some other way. His tired eyes flickered all around when I tried to remonstrate with him privately. His pale face never stopped twitching, but he could bring chaos to my lessons with his sniggering and muttering. So, means he was not given proper guardianship, so he was not behaving properly in the class. The rudeness I had to put up with, the bad language appalled me. And she was also very much shocked with the bad languages used by the student. I had no redress, as the only form of punishment available was detention, which meant facing the same obstinate lot again. Sometimes parents could be contacted and their help sought, but frequently they were as bewildered and incapacitated as we ourselves. So, what was the means? If the children were not behaving properly in the class, she had only one way, and the way was
detention.
And the way was that she could only contact detention, means she could only keep the student out of the class for some time, some days, and she could contact the parents. But even parents were also very much restless. I mean, so helpless as the teachers were. Okay, next, start.
A frequent image came before me as I lay in bed after an early awakening. The maths room after a wet day, chairs turned over, books and orange peels on the floor. The 10th year is due for their English lesson. So I come in and attempt to assert myself and resort order. Jeremy is telling jokes, Donna is crackling, Andrew is standing on the desk and yelling out of the window.
Okay, wait. Shweta. A frequent image came before me as I lay in bed after an early wakening. The maths room after a wet break. Chairs turn over, books and orange peel on the floor. The tenth year is due for their English lesson. So I come in and attempt to assert myself and restore order. Jeremy is telling jokes, Donna is crackling, Andrew is standing on the desk on a desk and yelling out of the window. Means तुम लोग भी तो क्लास में ऐसा क्रिएट, जब टीचर नहीं होते हैं तो समटाइम्स व्हेन अ क्लास इज वेरी कोई मींस समटाइम्स सम क्लास इज वेरी इनडिसिप्लिन, कोई क्लास इतना इनडिसिप्लिन होता है ना, जहाँ पे अगर टीचर थोड़ी देर के लिए नहीं है तो पूरा आप लोग वो हंगामा मचा देते हैं. Is it? So such type of situation was there, and teacher was so much fed up that she wanted to leave her job, resign from her job. Next. Ananya, will you start?
Ma'am,
Ma'am Anushansa.
Ananya,
Ma'am
will you
Aditya.
start? Just a minute. Ananya, will you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ananya, let Ananya start first. After that, Vipasa will start. Okay?
Anushansa.
After that, Anushansa.
At,
Okay, Ananya, continue.
at one time, my very presence in the doorway would have been enough to ensure a partial silence. Now they give a vague good afternoon, miss, and carry on. I distribute the worksheet expensively photocopied, and we try to start. But two slow girls are making noises. Miss, I can't understand this. And James is quietly reading his football magazine. Jeremy continues to tell jokes, more quietly now, and Michael bares her gum-filled teeth and urges Paul to shut his face.
Okay. So, can anyone tell me what is the situation of the class? Will anyone explain? At one time, my brain is
students are playing, not studying.
Students are not disciplined. They always make noises and also not concentrate on.
They are not concentrating. They are just making chaos in the class. Someone is reading football magazine. Someone is just eating chewing gum. Someone is arguing, and someone is trying to tell two students who are very nice. They want to study. They are trying to tell others just to remain silent. Next. Whose turn was there? Start.
Anushansa.
Start.
I have been trying to create the basic conditions in which teaching becomes possible. but I have failed and I am no longer have the stomach for the job. And that is why I am giving up.
So these are the means. So she was very much upset with the indisciplined student. She thought that when her teaching is going useless, why should she continue? So this was the basic condition that was forcing her to resign from her job. Next step is script is there. Whose turn to start?
Ma'am, can I read it ahead? Because ma'am, it was very short.
Okay, you just start, Janvi. Conversation.
Janvi, I am so excited about the summer break. What are you going to do, Beneath? Beneath, I have some good news. I have been selected for a modeling assignment, so I will be joining grooming lessons.
Good.
Chirag, oh, that's great.
So here they are planning for summer vacation. Means we plan for summer vacation. We want to go for outing and all. Now we can't go. If summer vacation is there, we are still forced to be at home. But when there was no corona, we used to plan summer vacation and we used to go out. Next, whose turn? Anushansha.
We pass our turn.
Okay, start.